Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem small, but is actually quite significant: vertical ridges on nails. Have you ever noticed those lines running from the cuticle to the tip of your nails? While they may appear harmless, they can be indicators of your overall nail health and even your body's well-being. In this video, we'll explore what these vertical ridges mean, their potential causes, and when you should consider seeking professional advice. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. We'll start by discussing the anatomy of nails and how they grow, setting the stage for understanding why these ridges form. You'll learn about the various factors that can contribute to their appearance, from aging and genetics to nutritional deficiencies and health conditions. This isn't just about aesthetics. It's about listening to what your body is trying to tell you through your nails. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of how to assess your nail health and what steps you can take to maintain strong, beautiful nails. So whether you're a nail enthusiast or just curious about what those lines mean, stick around. Understanding vertical ridges can empower you to take better care of your nails and ultimately your health. Let's get started on this informative journey together. Vertical ridges, also known as longitudinal striations, are lines that run from the base of the nail to the tip. These ridges can vary in depth and prominence, appearing as subtle lines or more pronounced grooves. While they may seem like a minor cosmetic issue, their presence can provide valuable insights into your overall nail health and, by extension, your well-being. You might be surprised to learn that vertical ridges are quite common, especially as we age. Many people begin to notice these lines in their 40s and 50s, but they can appear at any age. Factors such as genetics, environmental influences, and even lifestyle choices can contribute to their development. For some, these ridges may be a normal part of aging, while for others, they could signal underlying health concerns. Recognizing changes in nail texture is crucial. If you suddenly notice an increase in the prominence of vertical ridges, or if they are accompanied by other symptoms, such as discoloration or brittleness, it may be time to consult a healthcare professional. Your nails can serve as a window into your health, reflecting nutritional deficiencies, stress levels, or even systemic conditions. By paying attention to these changes, you can take proactive steps to maintain your nail health and overall wellness. So, let's delve deeper into what these ridges mean and how you can care for your nails effectively. Vertical ridges on nails can arise from a variety of factors, and understanding these causes is essential for maintaining healthy nails. Just like other physical traits, the tendency to develop vertical ridges can run in families. If your parents or grandparents had similar nail characteristics, it's likely that you may experience them as well. This genetic link underscores the importance of recognizing that some nail features are simply part of your inherited makeup. Another critical factor is nutritional deficiencies. A lack of essential nutrients, such as biotin, zinc, and protein, can lead to various nail abnormalities, including vertical ridges. These nutrients play a vital role in nail growth and strength, and when they are lacking, your nails may not develop properly. Ensuring a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals can help promote healthier nails and minimize the appearance of ridges. Environmental factors also play a role in nail health. Frequent exposure to harsh chemicals, such as those found in cleaning products or nail polish removers, can weaken the nails and lead to structural changes. Additionally, excessive moisture or dryness can affect nail growth and texture. By being mindful of these environmental influences and taking steps to protect your nails, you can help reduce the likelihood of developing vertical ridges. Understanding these common causes empowers you to take proactive measures for better nail health. Vertical ridges on nails can sometimes be more than just a cosmetic concern. They may indicate underlying health issues. For instance, conditions like arthritis can affect nail health. Inflammatory arthritis, in particular, can lead to changes in nail texture and growth patterns, including the development of vertical ridges. Similarly, thyroid disorders such as hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism can also manifest through nail abnormalities. These conditions can disrupt the normal growth cycle of nails, leading to changes in their appearance and texture. Moreover, systemic diseases often have a direct connection to nail changes. Conditions like diabetes, psoriasis, and even certain types of cancer can impact nail health, resulting in ridges, discoloration, or brittleness. The nails can serve as a reflection of your overall health, and any significant changes should not be overlooked. If you notice persistent vertical ridges or other unusual changes in your nails, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. They can help determine whether these changes are linked to a specific health condition, or if they are simply a result of environmental factors or aging. Early detection and intervention can make a significant difference in managing any underlying issues. Remember, your nails can provide valuable insights into your health, so don't hesitate to seek advice if you have concerns. Taking proactive steps can lead to better nail health and overall well-being. Taking proactive steps to prevent and treat vertical ridges on nails can significantly improve their appearance and overall health. Incorporating foods rich in biotin, zinc, and protein can promote stronger nails. Consider adding eggs, nuts, leafy greens, and lean meats to your diet. These nutrients are essential for nail growth and can help reduce the likelihood of developing ridges. In addition to dietary adjustments, establishing a proper nail care routine is crucial. Regularly trimming and filing your nails can help maintain their integrity and prevent breakage. Avoid using your nails as tools, as this can lead to damage. When applying nail polish, choose products that are free from harsh chemicals, and always use a base coat to protect your nails from staining and brittleness. Hydration is another key factor in maintaining healthy nails. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps keep your body and nails hydrated. Additionally, applying a moisturizing lotion or cuticle oil to your nails and surrounding skin can prevent dryness and brittleness. This simple step can make a significant difference in the appearance of your nails, helping to minimize the visibility of vertical ridges. By adopting these preventive measures and treatments, you can enhance your nail health and reduce the likelihood of developing vertical ridges. Remember, healthy nails reflect a healthy body, so take the time to care for them. In summary, vertical ridges on nails can be a reflection of various factors, including genetic predisposition, nutritional deficiencies, and underlying health conditions. We've explored how conditions like arthritis and thyroid disorders can manifest through changes in nail texture, highlighting the importance of recognizing these signs as potential indicators of your overall health. Additionally, we discussed practical preventive measures, such as dietary changes, proper nail care routines, and the significance of hydration and moisturizing for maintaining nail integrity. The key takeaway is that while vertical ridges can be common, understanding their causes and implementing preventive strategies can significantly improve your nail health. If you notice persistent changes in your nails, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel. For more insightful content on nail and overall health, your support helps us create more valuable videos for you. Also, don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from it. Explore our related content to deepen your understanding of nail care and health. Together, let's empower ourselves with knowledge and take proactive steps toward healthier nails and a healthier life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.